In this video I'm going to be showing you guys about how you can make Game Pass in Please Donate Roblox game in 2026. So let's get started. In order to do this, you have to open Google Chrome and search for roblox.com. Once you are on login page, make sure to sign up or log in your account. Once you sign up or log in your account, you have to click on this create button. And once you click on this create, you will be taken to the Roblox creator hub. And once you are here, you have to click on creation. There would be an option written like creations. You have to click on it and then you have to select an experience or you have to create. It's up to you. Now once you click on your creation, you have to search for monetization. Scroll down a bit and there would be an option called monetization. You have to click on it and then click on passes. Now you have to click on create a pass. You will see a default game pass image already has been created in Please Donate. So just click on change image to use a custom image and you can choose your own image to make the game pass according to your choice. So yes, this is how you can make your game pass in Please Donate game. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and thanks for watching.